Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design and today we're doing something a little bit different. If you have seen the title you'll know we're doing something a little bit different, but each week in my journal I do something, well I have been doing something out of the box. This is out of the box for me, just trying new things, filling in the side with little stickers, baby shark. This was really different. And then what I thought for this week, the Planner Stash Challenge prompt for technique and theme kind of thing is junk journal. Now I put magazine clipping spread. I've had a look through my magazines and my magazine stash, and if you aren't looking at magazines, I highly suggest that you look at your magazines. I have a video all about that and I will leave it here and in the description. But if you're not looking at your magazines, you need to. Here's why. If you have a journal, it's very, very great to adapt the spreads to fit a journal spread. And I've done it for a divider. I've done it for spreads before using bits of a magazine for the PKD spread. I've done a couple. And what I thought was, I'm going to use this one. This one is from 2022. I do keep them for a while. And I thought, I mean, I could use this. You could totally use that in your spread. Just put boxes on the top and stuff like that. I'm going to use this because it's the Tour de France, ends on the 29th. That is this week. This week is the last week. And I just thought it made sense. And here's what I'm thinking. Like the crease will go on the spine, right? And then I'll just stick it all down. And then this bit where this text is, I'm just going to cover up with boxes and like do like almost like clouds at the top. I don't know what it's going to look like, but we're going to go for it, I think. I'm just undecided whether I want blue clouds, blue outlines, or black, because I'm going to keep some of the black down here. I'm going to cut it to about there, I think. So yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. Are you ready to come with me on this journey? When I say I do things that are outside the box and a little bit crazy, this is what I mean. Yeah, we're going to do that. So I'm going to try and cut as straight a line as I can on this. And then this will get put back in my stash and we will use these. No, that was the wrong way around. That was the wrong way around. Otherwise we've got half a bike wheel. So I think the other thing that I might do, I need to cut that little bit first, so that I've got a nice straight line at the bottom, is cut that bottom edge off as close as I can. I'm going to keep as much of that as I can. Okay, digging it out of the trash so that I can measure where this one is. Again, I got a whole video about, oh no, it doesn't fit. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Okay, I can fix this. I can fix it. Hang on. What I might do, I could put washi in. I could put washi in if I have enough of that black washi. I think I do. I think I do. Okay, we're going to do it. 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 I was going to say I could just put that there and fill the gap in with that. Another possibility, but I think we're just going to use washi. So I'm just going to put this in because this has to go, okay, it has to go fully to the top, and then we'll put the black washi in after. Was that the right side? Yeah, okay. Again, I do all sorts of crazy things in my journal because my journal, I don't care where I write. I write all over the place. I write all over the place. Okay, start at the top. Okay. Yes. Checking it's on the right side. I'm already giggling because I like it. I'm already giggling. Of course, I need to decide what I could have done was just put the adhesive on here. Okay, hang on. I need the adhesive on that side. Yes, friends, I am already digging this. Yes, yes, so much yes. And here's the thing that I was going to say is next week is the league launch for the game that I play. So I won't be doing much anyway. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, next thing, I need to punch holes. You know what? I might hold off in case I put holes over here. I'm going to hold off. Let's put the washi in. Let's put the washi in. Put the washi in. I need to decide what colour boxes I am using. Maybe we'll just put them both on wax paper and make a decision. Please do not run out of washi. No, I should be fine. I'm just trying to get it so that the tires are on top of this. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, 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 yeah. And that's how you fix that. You fix everything with washi. Or more stickers. I actually quite like that. Now I think we might need the black boxes. We're going to see. We're going to see. It's fine. Let's put the washi away there, tidy up after myself and all of that. Maybe I put them both in. What do we think about them both going in? Actually, I think it's that colour, not that one. How do we feel about both of these? I'm just shoving them in right now anywhere. I'm not really looking at where they're going. Do we need both or do we just need the blue? I think the blue would blend in more. The black seems to be standing out more. Thoughts? Please vote black or blue now. I think I'm going with the blue. I think I'm going with the blue. I do like the black, but the blue feels more right. Okay, the blue feels more right. So let's figure out how we're going to do this. I think that should cover up that. Oh, I could just stagger them that way. May have to bring some of the other colours in. I don't have enough. Just trying to do it so that there's not much of this stuff. Might work. Might work. Do I want to do that? I think I do. I'm going to try and leave these on here exactly as they are. De-stick it a little first, although it's probably still going to rip the magazine if I take it off. I could just also wonky them a bit. We're just going with this now. Yes. I did it. I did it. I did it. Now to do the same with this. All right, I think I found a suitable configuration. I also found two more little boxes. When I cut my boxes, I put them in a hanging file. So yeah, I just put them on the wrong, like that one. It's got green and pink on there. But yeah, I found two more little boxes. So yay. Yay. So I need to put these down exactly where they are. So we'll try and go with that one. Try. Try, try, try. These have been up and down off this page so many times. I realise that's probably going to be in the things, in the discs. It's funny, when they overlap, they look a different colour. It's weird. The blues are playing tricks with my eyes now. The blues are playing tricks with my eyes. I could put that one there. And this one could go here. This one could go here. or there. No, I think it's down here. And if I want any more space, I can add boxes. Where do we want this one? I need to use it because it's not going back in my file for one bloody box. Oh, hang on. One box. There. Yeah. Okay, now I just need the punch. For this side, because it is my journal side, I'm going to use my crocodile. I think I'm punching through about 4 sheets of paper now. And then this side, all right, and that is my spread for my journal for next week. Again, it's Tour de France, it is the Junk Journal Planner Stash Challenge, and I've used my printable boxes, and yes, I quite like it. It's going to be weird after the pen. If I need any more journaling space, I can go print some more of this colour and then just stick them on. If I needed any more journaling space, I can put them down here, up there, in the side here. But yeah, I can just add them on if I want to. Maybe I don't need to. I don't know. We'll see. Or I could just write on here. There's that too. I could just write on the paper. I hope that this just showed you that you can use magazines super easy, put them in your planner. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye!